What if I told you that making just $1 a day could change your financial future? You don't need a job. You don't need to work overtime. You just need to start with $1. Because $1 a day is $365 a year. That's a new phone, a flight, a month of food, or your first emergency fund. Today, I'll show you 7 real passive ways to earn $1 every single day based on global trends in 2025. And the best part? Most of them cost nothing to start. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This is about starting, because $1 is better than $0. Every millionaire started with their first dollar, and in a world where inflation rises and jobs are uncertain, having even a tiny stream of passive income gives you freedom. So forget get rich quick. Let's focus on get started today. Number 1, micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns, Roundpoint, or Raiz help you invest effortlessly. How it works. Every time you make a purchase, like a $4.80 coffee, the app rounds up to $5 and automatically invests that extra 20 cents for you. You don't feel it. You don't think about it. But over time, those cents turn into dollars, then hundreds. Spend $20 a day. That's about $1 in micro investments every day. No stress, no hassle. Passive investing, simple to use. And most importantly, real results. Start small. Start today. Your financial future begins with just one rounded up purchase. Number 2, sell digital printables on Etsy. What's a printable? It's a digital file, usually a PDF, that you create just once and sell again and again, forever. Think budget planners, gratitude journals, meal trackers, workout logs, simple, useful tools people love to download. And here's the best part. You design it once, for free, using tools like Canva, then upload it to Etsy, set a price, typically between $2 and $5. And every time someone buys it, you earn money, even while you sleep, even on weekends, even when you're on vacation. No inventory, no shipping. Just create once, sell repeatedly. One sale a day? That's an extra $60 to $150 a month. Passive income. 2 sales, 5, 10. The more you list, the more you earn. Simple, scalable, and entirely on your terms. Your next idea could be someone's favorite download. Number 3, YouTube Shorts. You ever where your short videos can keep making money long after you hit upload? Every time someone watches, likes, or shares your short, it can earn ad revenue. And the best part? It doesn't stop. Even while you're sleeping, your old videos can still go viral and keep paying you. Now imagine this. 10 million views per month on your shorts? That can mean $1,000 or more every month. That's over $30 a day from 60-second clips. Even 1 million views can bring in around $100. And if you post consistently, YouTube keeps recommending your content, not just the new videos, but the old ones too. So one video today could be earning next month, or even next year. No fancy gear, no huge audience needed, just valuable, entertaining, or helpful content repeated over time. This isn't get rich quick. It's build once, earn over time. Let your content work for you, 24/7. Number 4, referral programs from finance apps. Apps like Cash App, Revolut, Nubank, or Robinhood will pay you just for sharing your link. When someone signs up using your referral code, you earn, typically between $5 and $20 per person. Instantly, it's simple. Share your link in your bio. Post it once on social media. No follow-up, no sales. If just 3 people join in a month, that's $15 and about 50 cents a day for 0 effort. You can earn passively every time someone clicks and signs up. No cost to them, no risk to you. Just real money for sharing something you already use. It's not about spamming, it's about sharing a tool that helps others and getting rewarded for it. So if you're already using one of these apps, why not add your link and start earning? Small effort, real income. Number 5, earn by sharing your internet connection. Apps like Honeygain or Peer2Profit pay you just to share your unused bandwidth. It runs quietly in the background, on your phone, tablet, or computer. You don't have to do anything. No clicking, no watching, no extra work. And it's safe, secure, and 100% legal. Your personal data stays private. You're only sharing extra internet capacity you're not even using. On average, you can earn $5 to $10 per device each month. So if you run it on 3 devices, that's $15 to $30 every month, completely passive. Set it up once, leave it running, and earn while you sleep. If you've got a stable internet connection, you've got a way to earn. Simple, silent, automatic. Number 6, a blog with Google AdSense. Use free platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com. You don't need to be a writer. Create easy posts like, how to save $1 a day, 5 money habits of successful teens, or what is compound interest? Write with AI, it's fast, free, and beginner-friendly. Then add Google AdSense. Once it's set up, every visitor brings in a small ad revenue. It's passive. You write once. The blog earns over time. And as traffic grows, so does your income. No inventory, no customer service. Just helpful content that keeps working for you. Start with one post. Build over time. Your blog doesn't have to go viral. It just has to exist. Because even a simple blog can turn curiosity into cash. Number 7, create NFTs with royalties. It doesn't have to be art. It can be a digital sticker, a motivational quote, or even a good luck card. You can mint it for free on platforms like Zora or Pixura using the Polygon network. List it for $5 and set a 10% royalty. So every time it's resold, you earn again. That's passive income built right in. Sell just one per week? That's $20 a month. And it grows with every resale. No inventory, no shipping. Just digital, scalable, and forever. You're not just selling once. You're earning every time it changes hands. It's about ownership, creativity, and smart, long-term earning. Start small, think digital, and let your creations keep paying you. You don't need to make $100 a day to start. You just need to make $1. Pick one idea, start today, because in 1 year, you'll have $365 and a new mindset about money. Small actions, big results. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to Finance in 30 Seconds for more simple finance tips, because small knowledge builds big wealth.